I want to show you how to make heartbeat effects in Premiere Pro. Go over to your project panel and right-click, select New Item, then Color Matte. Now select the color red and click OK. Drag your new color matte above your clip on the timeline, then extend the duration to match your clip. Now go over to Effect Controls and click the stopwatch icon for opacity, then change the value to 0%. Move your timeline slider to where you want to begin the heartbeat effect, then click this keyframe button. Now move ahead 1 frame and change opacity to 20%. Then move ahead 3 more frames and change opacity back to 0. Repeat this process again by moving ahead 3 more frames and changing opacity to 20%. Then move ahead 3 more frames and change opacity back to 0. Now click on this arrow until you arrive back at the first 20% opacity keyframe. Highlight your video clip and go over to Effect Controls. Then click the stopwatch icon next to Scale and change the value to 115. Now move ahead 3 frames and change scale to 100. Then move ahead 3 more frames and change scale back to 115. Then finally ahead 3 more frames and change scale back to 100 again. To enhance the effect even further, you can also add a heartbeat sound to your video clip.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.